Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. Why and why we can do about factorization. Next, the x I will put on the right, y I will put on the left. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So this one, we have ln of the absolute value of y, the integration of x, that is about s squared over 2. Number 3, we have 3x, and I will put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 0, y equals to number 3. So I will put number 0 cone here, number 0 cone here, number 3 cone here, and now we have the final answer. So c equals to ln number 3. So I will put this one cone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.